So I've got a couple of questions in me. This chart that they had marked up, I thought it was a really good chart to go through and to look at, study, and everything like that, and actually finding the times in the market where it's just not going to work. Because again, nothing is 100%. So here's an example of not 100%, but at the same time, we'll find some really good stuff in here. So the questions is about this chart, but also there's a couple of things about time frame. And so whether or not to do the really low 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute time frames, 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, what are we looking for when we're looking to get into a trade and we're looking at displacement and everything like that? And so my answer is I primarily operate on the 5 minute. So what we have here is London session lows here. We've got 9:30 open, and then we get liquidity sweep there. So this is great. We're talking about that's what we want to see. This is liquidity, and then we're going to look for displacement, right? So this is displacement. And so the only place to enter at this point is right here, inverted fair value gap. The market goes, fails, it just crashes. And your stops are right here. So technically you're still okay. And then the market kind of leaves, but it really doesn't go to anywhere super significant. Here's a high. So bang. So technically, this actually works. I kicked myself out. I thought I was going to do this and show you how it didn't work, but it kind of worked. I still want to show you that it's difficult. This market is super difficult to actually trade in because of the kind of profile it in. It's in a seek and destroy, obviously, where it's just going ahead and it's killing external liquidity, meaning it's just grabbing stops for the most part, and it's not going anywhere fast. It is taking its time, and when it doesn't intend to go beyond that point, this market is not good. So this is a 5 minute chart. And so if I'm looking at this chart, honestly, in the morning that I'm looking to trade, we got our London lows here and we got our sweep. I'm looking for that entry, but for the most part, I'm thinking this is a trash market and I'm expecting I'm going to take a loss on this day or just don't even think about trading that day. So why? Let's go ahead and let's look at a high time frame chart of the same day. So here we have 15-minute chart, same day, same time frame. So you got your London lows here. Here's your sweep, all right? And honestly, you can just see it just at a glance. We're in a channel here, and this is just a consolidation channel. So my only real, I guess, opportunities for areas that I'm looking to get to when I'm in this kind of channel is the top and the bottom of those channels. I'm just trading inside of that consolidation, and I'm not looking to get outside of it. But when you expect to get outside of these channels on a daily basis, that's where you get eaten up.